Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing another furniture makeover for you guys. So if you would like to see how I transformed this vintage coffee table into this shabby chic cuteness, just keep watching. So I found this little coffee table on Facebook Marketplace. It was only $7.50. It's a really nice solid wood piece. So to start things off, I'm using this TSP hard surface cleaner and giving the table a thorough cleaning. So I'm going to remove the little metal feet on the table. So the legs of the table had a little bit of damage, nothing structural, but they just needed to be kind of re-glued and to just hold it back together. So I'm using wood glue. I'm letting it soak down into that crack and just kind of pushing it around the edges. And I'm going to use this vice grip and tighten it down and let it dry and harden so that it will make this piece nice and sturdy as it should be. So I'm going to use this Kills chalk paint in Blue Juniper. I love the color of this paint and it went on really nicely, and I applied 2 coats of the paint. So I'm going to be making a stencil for the tabletop. I'm designing this on my smartphone using an app called Over. I'm just adding different things to the stencil and arranging it how I like it. I'm cutting it out on my Cricut machine onto paper. I love how this stencil turned out. So now I'm just using a light color gray paint on the stencil. So now before I seal the piece, I'm coming in with some sandpaper and just sanding away a little bit to distress this piece and add a little bit of character to it. Now it's time to seal this piece. I'm using a water-based polyurethane, and I applied 2 coats of that. And lastly, I'm giving a couple coats of paint to the little metal feet that were on the table and putting them back on. And here it is. I love how it turned out. It's a really nice, shabby chic, cute piece with a bold color, and I am really pleased with how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you guys later.